message will keep it at the top of your message list, ensuring that you can quickly and easily retrieve it whenever you need to. You are able to pin your individual messages as well as those in groups, which is very helpful feature. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to pin messages on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Tap on chat box you would like to pin message of. Tap on message you would like to pin. From the pop-up menu, tap on pin. Tap on pin to confirm it. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to pin messages on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.